Hello kabibig! Welcome back sa ating bagong YouTube channel. Ito ang pinakamaingay na YouTuber sa balat ng YouTube. Ako si Kabibig, maglabak-labak na tayo with evidence. Ako po, nilabas na ang video na hindi talaga kasali si BBM sa ASEAN Japan Summit, mga kabibig. Oo, nandun lahat ng ASEAN leaders, si BBM lang talaga at ang flag ng Pilipinas ang hindi kasali. Kumpirmado, kabibig. Kakahiya naman si Claire Castro, di ba? Joint statement of the 28th ASEAN Japan Summit on further promotion and implementation of the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific AOIP. Hindi talaga kasama si BBM, kabibig. Opo. So tama talaga. At yun ba ang sinabi ni Claire kasi bilateral meeting? No. Kawawa tayo, dinamay pa. May nawawalang presidente, hindi mahanap. Di ba? So tama talaga. Nawala ang representative ng Pilipinas sa photo ops ng mga ASEAN leaders. Tama talaga na hindi kasali si BBM. Kasi kung kasali pa, dapat sana nandyan ang flag ng Pilipinas. Wala. So it means initsapwera talaga si BBM sa mga gatherings ng mga leaders. This is what we call, 28th ASEAN Japan Summit on further promotion and implementation of the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific AOIP. Nako mga kabibig, panoorin natin ang video mga kabibig at let's observe again yung mga sinasabi ni Claire Castro na si BBM ay may extended bilateral meeting, pero bakit siya lang? Ito kabibig ha. Tingnan natin ha. Ito yun ho. If you still remember, ito yung nag-trending. Let's watch this video kabibig ha. Okay, go. Yan. Again. Lakihan natin, kabibig. Lakihan natin. Okay. Balik tayo, ha. Sige. Go. Yan, kabibig. May BBM ba dyan? Tingnan nyo. Diba wala? Lahat ng ASEAN leaders pinakilala sa sa Japan. Mister. Diba? I think ito ay ang presidente ng Indonesia.
Excellencies, can we first have the first formal pose in 3, 2, 1. And now the ASEAN way, right hand over the left. In 3, 2, 1.
Pilipinas lang talaga ang flag, wala dyan. At si BBM talaga ang wala dyan.
Thank you, Your Excellencies. You may kindly take your seats.
Tingnan nyo. So ito na yung full video na makikita nyo talaga kung ano ang nangyari. Wala talaga ang Pilipinas. Hindi nakasali. O diba? Balik tayo.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty, Your Excellencies.
Diba Philippine flag to? Philippines. Again. again ha. Tingnan nyo. Diba Philippines to? Diba? Philippines yan. Sige ha. Lakihan natin. Di ba the Philippine flag to? Kita nyo naman may Philippine dyan, no? Oh. Nasaan ang representative ng Pilipinas? Wala. Di ba? Oh. Next. Oh, wala talaga kapibig.
Good afternoon, Your Majesty, Your Excellencies, honorable leaders of ASEAN, distinguished delegates, ladies.
Oh. Meron ba diyang Philippine flag? Oh, meron itong Philippine flag pala kabibig. Meron. Pero wala si BBM.
And gentlemen, a very warm welcome to the 28th ASEAN-Japan Summit. Without further ado, may I now invite the Honorable Dato Sri Anwar Ibrahim, Prime Minister of Malaysia, to deliver his opening remarks and preside over the meeting.
Kinig tayo kabibig, ha?
On behalf of my colleagues, we are honored to welcome the Prime Minister Takaichi Sanae to our first ASEAN-Japan Summit. Congratulations to you for assuming the office of Prime Minister, and remarkable, you were able to defeat some outstanding men. So at least you have my wife and my daughters are fully supportive of you. And thank you for being present. I know you are busy.
Tingnan nyo, wala talagang representative ng Pilipinas dito nakaupo. Ating tanging Philippines lamang ang wala dito kabibig. Diba? 28th ASEAN-Japan Summit. Napaka-importanteng ito. Mas wala si BBM. Diba? Naku.
Coming President Trump tomorrow, but Japan, of course, plays importance to ASEAN, and we are appreciative of this. You have to fly back late tonight, and we wish you well in this bilateral meeting with the United States. ASEAN and Japan have long been collaborating in trade, investments, and we look forward to enhancing this with you. And now it is my pleasure to invite Your Excellency Takaichi Sanae, Prime Minister of Japan, to deliver your opening remarks.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mr. Chair. First of all, I would like to express my deep condolences to the passing of Her Majesty Queen Sirikit of Thailand. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to Prime Minister Anwar and the government of Malaysia for their efforts and warm welcome at the ASEAN Chair. My gratitude go to Prime Minister Wong of Singapore as well for his kind cooperation as the country coordinator for ASEAN Japan. I would also like to congratulate Prime Minister Guzman on Timor-Leste's official accession to ASEAN. It is an honor for me to meet you as leaders on my first foreign visit as Prime Minister of Japan. Japan and ASEAN have built a relationship as trusted partners with heart-to-heart connections through long-standing cooperation in a wide range of areas. Japan advocates for free and open Indo-Pacific and consistently support the ASEAN outlook on the Indo-Pacific, which shares fundamental principles with FOIP. It is very gratifying to be able to adopt a joint statement with the ASEAN leaders today, which affirms the synergy between FOIP and AOIP, and confirm our way to promote further cooperation between Japan and ASEAN. Next year marks the 10th anniversary since the Prime Minister Abe launched FOIP in 2016, we will use this opportunity to reposition FOIP as a pillar of Japanese diplomacy and evolve it in line with change in the times. We would like to further strengthen our collaboration with AOIP to make Japan and ASEAN stronger and more prosperous. So, now, allow me to speak in Japanese and continue my statement for saving time. Okay?
Okay, mga kabibig. So, ito ang mga komento ng ating mga netizen. Corruption kasi, tapos natin ito, ha? Corruption kasi ngayon, pinagtatagul pa yung mga corrupt, ibig sabihin siya rin. May nawawalang presidente, hindi mahanap yung natagpuan sa CR. Kaya talaga kung ano nung mga komento nyo kay BBM, huwag kayong ganyan. You're so bad talaga mga kapibig. Huwag kayong ganyan, ha? You're so bad. Basta ito mga komento. Naku, nakakahiya. BBM, ang flag lang natin ang nag-represent. Nawawala ang representative ng Pilipinas sa photo ops ng mga Asian leaders. Kawawa, hindi ni sinali, kasama tayong napahiya. Pinan tayo na mag-resign na lang if we truly love the Filipino people. Andyan flag natin, okay na yan, mas nakakahiya na andyan ang wala ang Philippine flag, nandyan po. Itsapwera ka sa mga ganitong gatherings ng mga leaders kung ikaw ay kilalang puppet tapos sukdulan ka ng pangungurap. Diba? Wala ata si Dayondor, kung sila tayo Dixon, hindi pa yan dyan pinakaguluhan. Required kasi drug test ka, so ayaw ni Bangag, kaya di siya kasali. Naging ghost president si BBM sa ASEAN. Huwag ganyan, nakakaya kayo naman, bad yan. Ano ka Bangag? Ang kapal talaga mukha mo. Kainis din makita si BBM, hirap talagang hanapin ang ghost leader. Kahit sa ASEAN, ayaw sa kawatan, di kasal sa Pilipinas. Tinan niyo kabibig ha. Ito yung mga komento ng ating mga netizen. As you can observe sa video kabibig, nandun talaga lahat ng ASEAN leaders, kasama ang Japan. Tapos makita mo, yung bumaba na sila, pumunta sa kanilang sariling upuan, tingnan nyo ha, merong bang umupo sa Pilipinas, di ba? Ito, yan ang Pilipinas, di ba? Philippines, wala. Di ba? Let's continue natin to. Wala talaga kabibig, Philippines to. Walang representative. Di ba? Pero ang sabi ni Claire Castro, bilateral meeting daw, extended bilateral meeting with the UN. Pero ito ay pinaka-importanting parte ng ASEAN Summit kasi this is ASEAN Japan Summit. 'Di ba? Tingnan niyo. Wala talaga. 'Di ba? Kita mo naman mga kabibig. So ano ang yung reaction nito mga kabibig? Sabi nila, okay lang basta nandun ang ating Philippine flag. Huwag naman gano'n. Napaka-importante okasyon to. So yun ang kabibig ang ating Stebak-Lebak for today. May video na talaga, kita talaga ang video na wala talaga si BBM. Hindi nakasali sa ASEAN-Japan Summit. Diba? Hindi din siya nakasali sa historical photo ng ASEAN leaders kasama ang Japan Prime Minister. Yun ang kabibig ang ating Stebak-Lebak for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Bye everyone. See you next time.